I want to talk to you today about the power of positive thinking. Our thoughts have a profound impact on our lives, shaping our beliefs, emotions, and behaviors. When we cultivate a positive mindset, we can transform our lives in powerful ways. Positive thinking is not about ignoring the challenges and obstacles we face. It's about approaching them with a solution-focused mindset and a belief in our ability to overcome them. When we focus on the possibility rather than the limitations, we can unlock our potential and achieve our goals. Research has shown that positive thinking has numerous benefits for our health and well-being. It can lower stress levels, boost our immune system, and improve our overall sense of happiness and fulfillment. But cultivating a positive mindset takes practice and intention. It requires us to be mindful of our thoughts and to challenge negative beliefs and self-talk. Instead of dwelling on our failures and shortcomings, we can focus on our strengths and accomplishments. We can choose to see the good in others and in the world around us, even in the face of adversity. By adopting a positive mindset, we can also inspire and motivate others. When we radiate positivity and optimism, we create a ripple effect that can uplift those around us. So my message to you today is this: embrace the power of positive thinking. Choose to see the good in yourself, others, and the world around you. Believe in your ability to overcome challenges and achieve your goals. And remember, a positive mindset is not just a state of mind, it's a way of life. Thank you.